chicken chimichangas. Guys, these are so crispy, so jam-packed with flavor you would not even believe it. Guys, this is it right here, another banger in the kitchen. And guess what? I'm about to show you how it's done. Let's get started. Alright, for this recipe we are going to be using 4 beautiful boneless and skinless chicken thighs. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil on these bad boys, and we are gonna give them a nice luxurious massage. Get all up in there just like so. Once that's all said and done, we are going to season up these chicken thighs to absolute perfection. On the screen you'll see a list of everything we're going to be using to season up our chicken, and we are going to go absolutely crazy, absolutely ham, and oh so generous with the seasoning, because that's what we do here at this channel. You guys know the model. You guys been here long enough. Go ahead and drop it down in the comments below, because you already know what it is. And if you haven't already, don't forget to follow your boy on Instagram. My handle is the same name as the channel, Whip It Up with Jay. Go ahead and follow your boy. Alright, once our chicken is seasoned up oh so perfect, go ahead and get you a pot nice and hot, drizzle a little bit of oil in there and get this chicken sizzling. All right, we want to get a nice beautiful crust on both sides of the chicken. Okay, so go ahead and have it to about, I would say, a medium high, and get a sear on both sides. Once that sear is complete and both sides are looking oh so beautiful, go ahead and turn down your heat to about, I would say, a medium to medium low, and we are gonna add in the rest of our ingredients, which is tomato sauce, chicken broth, and a whole onion, guys. And you want to let this go for a good hour or so on about medium low. I would say let it go for a whole hour, guys, so we can kind of shred this chicken apart, and that chicken can absorb all those amazing flavors. All those flavors could just sit in that pot and talk to one another. You know what I mean? So that hour is up, and this is how you should be looking, okay? And if your chicken doesn't look as beautiful as my chicken, something is absolutely wrong. Please send it back to the kitchen where it came from, because I don't want it if it ain't looking like this. Okay, I'm trying to let you know, guys, looks amazing. Go ahead and transfer that into a bowl. All right, get all of your chicken thighs, get them in that bowl. Get all the you know, the little pieces of onion, get that in the bowl as well. And we don't even need a fork, know what I mean, because this chicken is oh so tender. Just grab that spoon and just start mashing up that chicken with the spoon till everything is all shredded up. So now that our chicken is ready to go, go ahead and grab a large tortilla, grab a can of refried beans. We are taking a shortcut when it comes to that. Yes, we are using canned refried beans, and it is okay. Go ahead and spread that on the tortilla. Grab your favorite cheese blend. Get all of that on the tortilla, just like so, as well as that beautiful, flavorful, shredded up chicken. You want to get that in there as well. And we are going to fold up this just like a burrito, because it pretty much is a burrito. Fold it up like so. And we're going to continue until we have them all folded up. This recipe, when you're all said and done, will get you about 6 beautiful, nice sized chimichangas, guys. Plenty to feed the whole family, okay? And guys, if you haven't already, do not forget to leave your boy a like on the video, okay? And go ahead and drop a comment. Let me know what you think about the recipe so far. Are you gonna try it? Have you tried chimichangas before? Everything. Just comment down below. If you ain't got nothing to say at all, drop a fire emoji for your boy, okay? Helps a lot with the whole YouTube thing, you know what I mean? So go ahead and do your thing until you have all your burritos folded up, okay? Once that's all said and done, you're gonna get a pan nice and hot with some oil in there. We are gonna pan fry these chimichangas. Deep frying is not the beat because they tend to unfold if you try to deep fry them, and you're gonna have to use toothpicks and all that stuff. So I found it so much easier to just pan fry these guys, okay? If for some reason I found myself saying okay a lot, so go ahead and take a shot every time I say okay. You're gonna be real throwed after that. I'll try to let you know. So get them in a pan, all right? Get them in there. Let them do their thing. Get them nice and beautiful on both sides. This goes by very quickly. Do not burn your chimichangas. I would say, man, honestly, probably about 45 seconds aside. Just keep an eye on it. Peek at it. You want it nice, beautiful, and golden brown, just like mine's, guys. Be careful. Do not burn them. I time lapse it here and there, with the editing and whatnot, but trust me, this goes by very quickly, all right? Probably about, like I said, 45 seconds per side, and you should have it nice, beautiful, and golden brown. So once your chimichangas are all done, you want to drain them off on a paper towel, plate them up, and go ahead and drizzle some sour cream right on top, just like so, for this beautiful presentation. Grab a little bit of that cheese blend, stick it right in the middle, as well as a little bit of Pico De Galo. Usually could grab like a little container of Pico De Galo at your local grocery store if you don't feel like making it. It's a lot easier to just get at the store. Top it off, and wow, you have some beautiful, delicious chimichangas. And man, when I say these have so much flavor, it's hard to put it in words. I'm trying to let you know, because there's so much going on, from the refried beans to the well seasoned up chicken, the cheese, the sour cream, the Pico De Galo, the crispy tortilla. Man, this has to be one of my favorites, hand down, and I cannot wait. Let me repeat that. I cannot wait for you guys to try this. And when you do, don't forget to come back in the comments. Let me know how you enjoyed it, how your family enjoyed it, how your loved ones enjoyed it, because I'm sure they will, okay? So this is pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I do want to let you know I have a new channel that I'm just starting up. It's called Live It Up with Jay. I'll leave that down in the description box. It's a lifestyle channel, a vlog channel. It's me and my daily life, my family life, and so much more. I would really appreciate you guys going over there. If you rock with me, to tap that subscribe button, because I'm trying to build something over there as well, have a diversity when it comes to my content. I'll still have my food channel, I'll still be uploading these awesome recipes, but I want to do other stuff as well. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers on that channel. Like I said, it will really help you guys hit that subscribe button for me. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Deuces.